All right, guys, we're going to take a look at number 3. But I want to go back to number 2 for a second. I want to show you that you could also do it graphically using the calculator. So if I put both equations in, I'm going to put in y equals negative 4x plus 7. Then I'm going to put the other equation in, y equals x to the second minus 12x plus 19. All right, putting both of these in. I graph it. All right, this is what the graph is going to look like. All right, hopefully you could tell that it crosses here, and then you'd realize that somewhere over there it's going to cross. So I know it's going to cross to the right of 0. Go to your table, and you're looking for when the y values are the same. And if you look at 2, you'll see that both y values are negative 1. So that 2 negative 1s are our solution. And then if you keep going down, you'll see at 6 negative 17 is when the solutions are the same. So I look now, I made a little calculation error. When I did negative 24 plus 7, this should have been negative 17. So our answer is 6 negative 17. All right? All right, let's take a look at number 3. 3 is just slightly different. It says if f of x equals x to the second plus 6x and g of x equals 2x, determine the values of x that satisfy the equation. So now all they really want to know are the x values. So we don't need to find the whole solution like we did for number 2. We just need to find the x value. And it says that satisfy f of x equals g of x. So I'm going to take my f of x expression, and that's going to equal my g of x expression. So x squared plus 6x equals 2x. Remember, we got to make it equal 0. So we're going to bring the 2x over. Subtract 2x on both sides. You're going to get x to the second plus 4x equals 0. All right, you should notice that this is not a trinomial. You should realize that it is a GCF type, right? They both have an x. So we're going to take out our common factor of x. So we're going to divide both terms by x. And we're going to get x plus 4 equals 0. And our two solutions are going to be x equals 0 and x equals negative 4. All right, it says determine the x values. So our values are 0 and negative 4. All right, and again, if you're not confident in your algebra skills, you could graph both of these. X squared plus 6x and graph 2x. It doesn't matter which one you put in first. There's 2x. There's the x squared plus 6x function. All right, you see that they cross somewhere over here and here. So we're going to go to our table. And you'll see that at 0, both y values are 0. So 0 is one of our x values. And then if I keep going back, you'll see at negative 4, both have y values of negative 8. So negative 4 is our other value of x. All right, work on the rest of the worksheet. All right, we're going to have a test on Friday. Talk to you soon.